Hi, I'm Dr. Rob McKnight, a chiropractic physician with Advanced Spine and Rehab in St. George, Utah. Advanced Spine and Rehab is St. George, Utah's first and only complete spine care center. Our healthcare team consists of chiropractors, massage therapists, acupuncturists, nurse practitioners, spine rehab specialists, and spine surgeons. We have the ability to treat all types of spine-related conditions. We treat these conditions through conservative measures, meaning chiropractic care, massage therapy, spine rehab, and acupuncture, and then progress to more invasive procedures if needed, such as interventional pain management and spine surgery consultations. We specialize in treating auto accident patients. Auto accident injuries can include disc herniations, facet-mediated pain, and simple sprain strains. With the treatment avenues that we have access to, we are able to treat the majority of these patients, approximately 75% of them, with only conservative measures, and typically, within 2 to 3 months after the collision, their condition has significantly improved and they've returned back to normal status or pre-accident status. However, 20 to 25% of those patients end up needing interventional pain management or spine surgery consultations. The benefit to our facility is that you have access to all of those treatment avenues in one clinic. We are also linked with the hospital and imaging centers so that if we need to order MRI imaging, CAT scans, or x-rays, we can view those images in our facility within minutes of having them taken. I encourage you to come check us out at www.advancedspineut.com or give us a call at 435-656-0234 and get answers to your auto accident injury related questions. We can help you. Come find out how easy it is to get your life back. We are located at 619 South Bluff Street in St. George, Utah. Again, I'm Dr. McKnight, chiropractic physician at Advanced Spine and Rehab.